Oh my god. Well, do you want to go at this light? Yeah, alright. Check it out. What's going on? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. I seriously appreciate you tuning in today. I just got off work and check this out. I just got this text from TSM Collision. The blue Nissan 350z is all done and repainted in that San Marino blue color, the OEM factory color, which I cannot wait to see it all put back together. We saw a little glimpse of what it was gonna look like last week, and today we're picking up the car completely put back together and it's like pretty much stock form. So, oh man, I'm just so excited. I cannot wait for you guys to see it. My mind cannot even imagine how cool this car is gonna look all put back together. To see the front bumper on there is just gonna be insane. And the front lip, we got the same exact front lip that's on the red Z, and we put it on the blue car as well. So I cannot wait to see what it looks like on there. Let's go find out. We got Robert right here. He's giving us a ride. Huge thanks to him. Sit. All right, we're pulling up right now. Oh my God, I cannot wait to see this thing. It should be backed in right here. Oh, oh, the front lip looks so good. Oh my God, oh my God. Yeah, right here's good. Oh my God. Boom, oh my God. This thing turned out absolutely insane. That front bumper, look at this color. Oh man, I cannot wait to get this and the red car next to each other. Dude, the metallic, oh my God. So we added that same front lip that the red car has, and I think it just looks so good. I wasn't sure how it was gonna look on the blue, but I think it looks amazing. I'm so glad we did it. Jeez. I actually, you know, I just realized I have not driven this car in like, it's been like a month. Oh shoot, okay, starting it up right now. The HR, I have not been in here in so long. All right. Oh my God, I forgot how loud this thing was. Oh man, it's alive. It's alive. Jesus. Huge thanks to TSM Collision. If you guys need any paint work whatsoever, you know where to go. I'm gonna leave all of their information down in the description right now. So when you've seen what they can do, come check them out. They're the best. All right, let's do it. Oh man, here we go. Oh my God. We're off.
The next day.
Wow. This thing looks like a brand new car right now. I cannot get over how good this paint looks. Even in this light right now, it looks almost black, but you can kind of see there's a little bit of blue in there. Just looks so good. This front lip, seriously one of the best front lips you can get for the 350Z. And the hood, the HR hood bulge looks so cool when it's all glossy. Oh man, I want to get the red car and the blue Z together. Maybe for the next video we'll do that, but man, so we have brand new emblems coming, so for the front and the back, and then also the side fenders have brand new emblems as well. To kind of wrap around on the front bumper, I was thinking of getting the Nismo V1 side skirts. I think those would match really well, as well as they make these rear Nismo V1, like, I don't even know what you'd call them, but it's basically this piece, only it's extended. It comes back to about here and it comes down a little further. I feel like it would match really well to wrap the front lip around with the side skirt all the way towards the back. What do you think's next? Should we do wheels next? I mean, these are just the OEM Nissan 350Z wheels. They look pretty good on the car right now, especially when they're clean. Jeez, I just can't get over this thing. Let's go for a cruise. I'm so excited to drive this thing. I have not actually really driven it. I just drove it home last night, and here we are. It's already night again, but you know, let's go for a cruise. All right, let's do it. Oh man, this thing sounds so nuts. Jeez, the downshifts in this thing are just magic. Straight magical. So now that the car is back, we have a few things we need to work on. As you can see, the check engine light is still on, but that's just because of the O2 sensors in the exhaust. I need to get those O2 sensors re-tapped so I can put brand new ones in there because they're both stripped. If I try and pull them out, they're not going back in. So I need to find a muffler shop in the area that can re-tap those, and then hopefully that fixes the check engine light. If not, we'll be on the hunt for the reason why it's happening. But every time I run the code, it says bank 2 sensor 1 and bank 1 sensor 2. So both sides are stripped. I'm assuming that sunset over there. It seriously is just the best time of night to cruise around. And I cannot believe we're sitting in the freshly painted 350Z HR right now. Like, that's just crazy. Wow. So we're gonna try and hit as many red lights as we can in this video. This thing sounds menacing. Oh, the backfire. This is seriously the best time to cruise around. The sunset. We beat the sun. The sun went down and we went to the top of the hill and we can see it again. We'll rewatch the sunset, should we? Dang, it's gone. That did not take long. All right, here we go. First to third. Oh my God. Dude, this thing is insane. The sound it makes. Oh man, it really makes me want to get like a proper exhaust kit on the Rev-Up. Oh man. Oh my God. We got a Miata gang. It's so crazy. Whenever I'm in the Z, I see nothing but Miatas. And when I'm in the Miata, I see nothing but Zs. It's like how the universe works. Let me know if that's how it is for you guys. Do you ever see a bunch of your project car when you're in your daily? Because I feel like that's the most common thing. Let's go left right here. And then let's hit the parking garage to take some parking garage videos. Oh man, I cannot wait to see what this thing looks like under the parking garage lights. Oh, or the gas station lights. Gas station lighting just absolutely has to be some of the best lighting around. One of the next things on my list, I don't know if you can see it, but look at this. This nasty, nasty tint on both sides. I'll definitely be doing that soon because I just don't know how much more I can stare at just this terrible peeling tint, so. Oh my gosh. It's just way too easy to just put your foot to the ground. Promenade Mall. Should we see who's over here? Ooh. Ooh. We got a yellow R8. Sheesh. M3 convertible. All right, all right. Yo, I mean, if I was gonna get an R8 or something, it would have to be in a crazy cool color like that. I don't know, like a silver R8 just wouldn't do it for me. I feel like it would look too much like an A4 or something. I've seen the red one, that looks pretty cool. Dang, we can't drive through right now. That's okay. All right, so let's go up probably like 2 floors of the parking garage without getting the cops called on us or setting any car alarms off. Oh shoot, okay, okay. Orange GT86 with a yellow Supra. Dang. Gosh, this thing is so loud. What's insane is that this is not even like, as far as like actually loud 350Zs go, this one's not very loud considering. So, dang, it's dark in here, y'all. I'm not gonna lie, my GoPro, it's trying its best to keep up, but we might have to switch over to my cell phone for a little bit. The low light on the GoPro is just not there. I promised myself that if GoPro ever released a camera that was really, really good in low light, I would absolutely fork the money over to buy it because I want to do more night drives and evening like sunset drives, but the GoPro just like, the GoPro just does not catch it very. Oh man, we're headed out of the parking garage, so you know we gotta. Jesus, wow. That sounds so good. I'm a fan. A lot of people say 350Z sounds pretty trumpety. I'm proud to be repping the brass section. Can we get brass section stickers? So before the sun goes down and before we end this video, we have to do one more pull just to end the night. So as soon as we have a wide open stretch of road, you already know what's going down. my goodness. I think my favorite thing about 350Z is just how amazing the downshifts are, honestly. I think 4th to 3rd has to be my favorite. Oh man. Oh my goodness. All right, here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. We got to get one more. Not satisfied. Holy shit. Okay. Oh man, we have the chance. Should we do it again? 40 roll this time? That was 40. Cheers. Okay. That is it. Oh, is that a G35 up there? Friend? It is. Oh my God, no. No way. Oh, we have to race this G. Dude, that thing sounds good. No. No, it's not? No, it's Megan Racing.
Oh shit. Right.
What is that?
Huh?
What's that one?
Just a catalyst.
Oh dude, it sounds great. What year is that thing?
07.
Nice, same.
Dude,
wait, does that have HR?
No, DE.
Oh shoot, nice. That's cool. Do you want to go with this light?
Yeah, you got HR or DE?
HR. I don't know, we'll see. Let's see if we can get that guy's Instagram. He seems cool. Oh, he turned. Dang. All right, it's literally getting pitch black out here right now. So if you enjoyed today's video, hit the thumbs up button, drop a subscribe if you have not yet already. The build starts now for this HR, and I cannot be more excited. The paint came out better than I could have ever imagined. So thank you for following along with the paint journey. It was like 4 or 5 episodes of some pretty awesome paint work. So back to the POVs. I installed the carbon. Just hit that subscribe button so you do not miss any more of these videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.